Here's an unboxing of this travel case for Diabetic Supplies. Just ordered this, just arrived off of Amazon. This is how it comes packaged, sealed up in this plastic wrap. And I can tell it's definitely a hard case. Maybe even harder than I anticipated. Some hard cases are still, a little flimsy. There's a little bend in it right there, but it's pretty solid on the exterior. Let's see how nice the zippers work. Actually, that's real smooth, good zippers, and the zippers have these nice rubber tabs right here to grab real easily. Here's a look inside. So you got this mesh compartment here up top with zipper access, little humidity packet in there, little lanyard if you want to, hook it around your wrist or something like that. And then down here, you've got two little plastic boxes, containers, some storage bins. Got an elastic strap right here, and then you also have this divider, which you can store, a pen or whatever on top right there. And you can adjust it and slide it to whichever position suits you best in the bottom section down here. So honestly, solid little kit right here, nice little case. Definitely handy in lots of different ways. Even if you don't end up using this for diabetic supplies, it can still be a great case for a lot of different uses. So, and it has this really nice black color with this texture on it that just makes it a little extra fun and cool looking. So I think you'll be happy with this case.